All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel to, the followers of the Crypto ZX channel. Appreciate you guys as always. First and foremost, just want to say thank you for all your support. Means a lot. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening as far as the broader market is concerned. You're looking at major red day yet again as we are starting off of a brand new week. You're looking at, the altcoin market literally, seeing a sea of red across the board right now. Bitcoin down about 3%, but, altcoins right now are, down 5 to even 11% depending on what altcoin you're looking at. So a major retracement, as you can see. So we're going to be talking about, what's really happening as far as the broader market is concerned and, what we could be expecting. So whether you hold XRP, whether you hold Solana, Algorand, Hbar, Pepe, whatever the case may be, this does apply to you because this is a market update. And if you want to see more of these market analysis updates, do let me know in the comments down below. But before we get into any further, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking across the board, especially over the last 24 hours and obviously the last 7 days, you are seeing, a lot of red, across the market. Some people are looking at as this, a good buying opportunity. Myself personally, I've been, quite clear upon, my stance on the year of 2025. I think under Donald Trump administration, market is going to thrive. And as of course, global adoption for crypto rises, as we do see more institutional interest like never before, this year could be different, but that does not mean that you won't see red days, just like what we're seeing right now. I'm looking at this as a buying opportunity for myself specifically, obviously the money that I can afford to lose at the end of the day. But yeah, a major red day across the board. And what's really causing that, we're going to get into that right now. But before we do that, shout out to my Canadians out there. Let me know in the comments down below if you're a Canadian. But you can see Justin BlackRock just launched a new Bitcoin ETF on CBOE Canada. Huge deal for, the Canadian market. But let's continue to take a look at what's really happening. So look at the dominance index, guys. First and foremost, as you guys know, I emphasize so much on the dominance index. And I know a lot of people are probably confused, scratching their head right now. Hey, you know what? Bitcoin down only about 2.7%. So Crypto ZX, why in the world are altcoins down about 7 to 8%? Great question. Reason why that's the case is because number one, Bitcoin went down. Number two, dominance is shooting up at about 58.56%. What's quite interesting right here is, if you follow my channel day in, day out, what's one specific level that I talk about? Right here. Literally, that's where the dominance is retesting right now. You don't want to see the dominance breaking out, and as of recording this update, it looks like it could. And if it's able to do that, guys, this is a bearish sign for the next few days to come, meaning if Bitcoin loses even more, levels around where we currently are, we could see altcoins falling down even further. So that's something I want you guys to be aware of. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. So if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, guys, so yeah, we did, go below the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Again, going back to what I said, if you watch the videos on a day-to-day basis, whether you look at XRP videos, Hbar, Pepe, XLM, Solana, Cardano, whatever the case may be, I emphasize Bitcoin on a daily basis. And here we are losing the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level this time around. And if you look at that, $90,000 Bitcoin was retested. Here you have it. You can't make this up right now. We saw a wick down to literally $89,264, which is, again, quite a bearish move. I know not a lot of people want to see this, but it is a reality, right? You can't really do anything but accept that fact. But you're looking at the price of, Bitcoin, trying to reclaim back the 23.6. Very, very important. But the more you retest the support, the weaker it gets. But I've been emphasizing, if we lose the 23.6 consolidation phase, of course, we could fill the wick around that 90K mark, which I think, we could clearly check off our list. Also, if this level does not hold, that $86,000 to $85,000 level, which I've been speaking about for quite some time, could still be on the table. So, these are some factors we need to keep in mind. Yes, Donald Trump is coming into the office in the next 2.5 weeks or so. I wouldn't even say 2.5 weeks, actually, in the next week. I do believe, market is going to have a positive momentum. Reason why I say that is because I'm kind of going back and taking a look at what happened in November. When Donald Trump won the election, you actually saw the market like literally start that massive upside. You saw altcoins just going crazy. And then, of course, mid-December, we saw that cool off happening. Obviously, the FOMC meeting, did not sit well with a lot of investors. But, that's how I'm currently analyzing it. Yes, even if the price of Bitcoin were to drop down to $86,000 to $85,000, that's still on the table if we're below the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And one thing I want you guys to realize is the price of, Bitcoin, even though it has dropped below the 23.6 a few times, you never, saw the price hold below it for quite some time. So that's what I want you guys to keep in mind. So if you're an altcoin holder, you want to keep these things in mind. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions? Where do you see the price of, some of these altcoins going? Do you see the market retracing a little bit more? Do you see the Bitcoin price retracing a little bit more? I'm all for it, but let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are your personal predictions? And if you watch this video till the absolute end, comment down below DIP. So I know that you have watched this video till the end. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX and peace.